And so he was saying that like his plan, like he has a nice place in Miami, or maybe all over the world for that matter. But he and Joe Rogan were saying like they were building a place. Gary's building a place in Colorado where he just wants to go and check out when he's a little older or once his kids are out. And for me, I'm motivated by the fact that I can go for 3 months to Colorado or some remote place, Montana, and sit in a lodge and be live on nature for however long I want. That's like my freedom.